Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how you can create an account for Wise. First of all, you need to install it, and after installing it, click on it. So tap on register and enter your email and tap on continue. If you want personal account, you tap on personal, and if you want business, then you can tap on business. I'm using it for personal use, so I'm gonna tap on personal account. Your country and your phone number. You'll receive a code so tap on it, and you need to create a password for it. And after you're done, click on done. It's taking a time, some time. You need to wait. As you can see, your account has been created and you can use it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.